mo, Jit?
Shout!
Hey!
Yellow ball.
Tumira ka!
Sabi ni referee, yellow ball down.
Go! Woo!
Jason, 3 points. Sobra-sobra sa bilang. Rebound by Russell. Russell, 2 points. Art. Dribbling to Isaac. Iniwas. Got Jason. 32-37. Mario, 3 points. Wala. Rebound by Vince. Pasa to side ball on the floor daw, sabi ni referee. First personal foul. Art to win. Mario, pinasa sa sahig. Pero black ball pa rin. To Russell. Rebound back. Holding, yellow ball. No holding hands daw, sabi ni ref. Unless it's your spouse. No holding hands. 1, 2, Mississippi, 3 Mississippi. Yellow ball. Orange dribble ang bola, Mississippi na. Sa masikip pumasok, pero papasok pa rin. Bubuhat pa Orange, yung sariling sikap, walang assist. That ball to Russell, pinapatayan, pinasa kay Mario. Mario, 3 points, meron ba? Wala. Rebound by Russell, pinato ni Jason, nakuha ni Art, rebound by Art.
Layo!
Mahirap mapasa yun ha. Sa gitna ng dalawang kalaban, yung tingnan nakuha ni Isa. Mabilis na Isa din, hindi pa rin sinaya ng powers. Russell, driving. Merong holding again, holding foul. Bawal daw mag-holding hand. Foul to John Calico. John Calico ang naging first na foul. Si Boy. Rebound by Art. Stay alive. Para daw sa black, yellow team staying alive, staying ball with a yellow team. Isaac to Art, 3 points. Parang ganito, rebound by Rex. Akala ko ba nasaktan si Kuya Rex, pero lumalaban pa rin. Uy, nice jumper shot by Anka. 1 point na lang. 1 point na lang, aandar na ang strength. Jumper from Jason, no good, rebound by John Calico, paki-record ang rebound, hindi natin John Calico. Sabi niya, let's go naman, 3 points naman to. Rebound by Kuya Kaloy. Pass to Mario. Mario with the drive, diretso, wala, rebound by Art. Diretso mo na yan, Art. Kahit ano, uy, pumasok sa gitna na masisya. Sayang, napakaganda sana ng move na yun. Russell is slow motion. Now, si Vince. Ay, hindi pala pa Vince. Now, please keep your pitos, your whistles, kasi dalawa na lang ang natitira. are non-disposable whistles. No return, no exchange. So keep it. Next time, please, Dave. Keep it. Ay, wait lang daw, Dave. Wait lang daw, wait. Sir Chris in, one out. Good job, Bon. Three points. Sir James, rebounding to the Orly. Second violation. You've got to move it. Dribble. Uy, nakalibre sa tres. Huwag yung patitirahin sa tres. Doon kasi merong tres si Aiza. So now, we have 49-7 there. Now we have 2 points. Sa second to Sir James. And foul by Robert. Next week daw, wala kang siomay. Sige ka. Sorry na daw, Ma'am Tina, sorry na. Pari lang may siomay. Hindi na sinasadya. 1 point. Ang mga anti-minute foul daw. 1 point for Sir James. Rebound by Chris. Pakilista naman ang more. Binabawasan ko ng score ni Sir Kristen. Uy, napakagandang pasa. Uy, ang gandang pasa naman. 2 points assisted by John Talibo. 2 points for Erwin Budbong. Sabi ni Mario, sa dahilan, let's get it together team. Vince, dati marami kang tres, meron pa. Uy, napakagandang pasa ng kay Christian. 3 points dito, Orly. Rebound ni Sir James. Rebound pa rin ni John Talibo, the team captain. Sabi ni team captain, ay saka ko muna, mag-jump shot ka. Uy, rebound ni Erwin, take it out. John Talibo, ay team captain, sabi relax lang. Lamang na tayo ng 3 points. Sabi ni Martin, wala ka na sa ako. Haling Aiza. Wala pa rin. Turnover daw. Sabi ni referee. Ang ating official referee, SC and Glenn Johnson from the International Association of the Referee of the Philippines. John Talibo, jumper shot. Pasok. Napasok sa banga. 2 points. Yellow team 43. 38 by Bagesti. Kuya Orly, may jumper shot. Rebound by Burgess Tulo. Sa papel. And rebound by Mario. Uy, nice pass. Oh! Nice pass. Jumpo. Jumpo pero may foul. Ano ba? Foul ka na. Vince.
Hindi nakakasulat ang kalaban.
Yellow ball, sabi ni Mark. Yellow team. Come on, you guys need to cut. Dalaw-dalaw kayo dyan. Kuya Orly. Steal by Kuya Orly. Pass to Christian. Pass to Kuya Orly. Kuya Orly. Nag-drive. Napapasigaw si Ate Disco. Mama, you know, 10 years ago, swung na swung road. Ababa. Nakilis na ang more ginagawa sa queen. 2 points from our team captain, Dr. Nico. 45-38 ang score. Sabi ko na Orly, relax tayo kahit natin ito kapalit. Pasa ni Vince. Pasa natin dito Orly. Ayan ang mga OGs ng team ng Pinoy. For the second half, yeah. You don't have any time out. Hindi ba nag-time out? Tatlo ang time out sa second half. Tatlo ang time out sa second half, dalawa ang time out sa first half. Nakalista. Back to the ball game. Team captain, Russell, trying to make a play. Uy, hindi steal Mario Campion. Campion. Walang steal. Black ball, sabi ni referee. That's not by John Salito, team captain. Dapat si Tita Amor. Uy, wait, naitulak. Napakagandang jumper naman yung jump back ako. Uy! Uy! Charging, try to make it down. 47-38. Jason is back in the ballgame. Sabi ni Jason, ano ba to? Babalik na ako. Kailangan na namin ulit humabol. 47-41. 6-point lead. 5-47. Sabi ni Art, huwag natin pakabulin. Kailangan natin gumalaw. Galaw-galaw. Para hindi ma-upstop. Foul. Parang kuya dyan, di naman sa pangalun. Parang sa... Ano po yun? Sa pangal. Pero may pila. Talaga.
Artista talaga to eh.
Our best actor on the game. Pero meron. Kung ginagaling si team natin, sure po yan si Tito. Maricho, Aticho, para sa inyo daw to. Aticho. Isa pa daw. Pero kasi, yun ang pila. Bilang by Tata Mario. Si Kuya Kalon. Uy, si Kuya Kalon, tawag patangkat sa ilalim. Bilang by
Ay, wala sila.
Nag-excited ang basa. Kuya Kalon, nakapagulong sa edad. Mabilis, makbo, mabilis, magwila. 48-41, Jason again, the 3-point line. Rebound by John Calibo. Relax lang daw, sabi ni Kuya Dex. Lamang daw kayo. 7 minutes, baka ba ang oras. Magbukas pa tayo dito. Uy, magandang pasi sa jumper shot. Rebound by Jason. Foul. Kuya, John, madami ka ng foul. Unlimited foul daw eh. 4 fouls. Hanggang... May dalawang foul na nila Kuya John. 6. Actually, 7 na. Anti-rise daw eh, anti-rise. Art, open the ball. Charlie back to Art. 3-point shot. Eh, wala. Rebound pa ng team sa team natin. Tyson. Uy, jumper. Huwag yung patunirayan si team. Huwag yung natin doon. Kasi favorite spot niya yun. Sa Sabi ng amor. Ay, ma'am, amor, nakakalimutan si Saya. Para sa inyo yun, ma'am, amor. Steal pa rin yung mga Cruz. Sa pagkala sa tao. Ayun. Aisa, saved by the bell. 10 ang naman, 10. Bantay, napakasipag magbantay ni Aisa. Kuya Jan, kali mo sa iyo yun. Si Mario. Relax lang na, sabi ko Kuya Dex, relax. Last 5 minutes. Mahaba pa yung oras na yan. Mag-gawin ka pa na sa Kuya Dex. Let the pressure down, jumper shot. Defense, yellow team. Uy, ano ba yun? Wala ko sa yun. Okay lang daw yun. Sabi ng award, sabi ng daw yun, pero hindi. Uy, may jumper shot. Si Mario. Ito ba yun, Mario? Time out daw, sabi ni Sir. Sige, spot na natin. Kailangan yun. Street or tree. Jumper by, rebound by Russell. To Mario. Sabi Mario sa kanilang i-assist natin. Good defense, good defense. Pinasa kay Jason, 3 points. Pumaso, 3 points. Ay, Jason. Abel. Uy, dire-diretso. Mayroon daw ikaw. Foul ba yun? O wala? Sabi ni referee, it's a foul. Shot in the free throw line for Team Captain Jacqueline. Naku, sure ball na sa free throw eh. 1 point for the home team. Second shot. Sino po ang pupusta? Piso-piso lang? Meron ba o wala? Uy, wala. Good po ang sino. Napakagandang defense ka. Sabi ni Team Captain, relax lang daw. Relax lang daw. Hawak ang bola. Hintay natin silang mag-pressure. Relax na relax. Okay, 3 minutes pa. To Aisa. To Erwin. May pumito ang ating official international referee from the Carolinas. Dago defense, wala. Turn over, yellow ball. Kailangan na speakers. Ang bababa ang sugar, tumataas ang pressure. Substitution na ref kapag dead ball, substitution, black team. Sabi ni Team Captain, relax lang tayo, may 4 points tayo na okay. Ready na si Jason to agaw. Oh, Sergeant. Pumunta lang po kayo sa community table. Important tayo, social tayo, wala tayong kapit. Right. Kailangan nyo lang pumalima. Uy!
Ay! Ay! Oh my gosh! Ay! Ah!
Last 1 minute and 30 seconds. Hawak kamay daw. Hawak kamay. Uy, nakakawala si Art. Veterans for the youngest player in the game. Uy! Walang Stay down. Good defense, Ron. 1 minute and 24 hours at a time. 1 minute and 30 hours remaining time. 1 minute and 31 hours. Tambukas tayo dito. 1 minute and 31 hours. Tambukas tayo. Ginagawa siya. Uy! Makikita ko si Mami, Ate, sa audio. Timeout. Yellow. Jason, Yonaya is shaking her head. Shoot that ball. Jason, you got this. Remember, Coach Glenn is your coach? Coach Glenn, ituturo mo dito, in or out. Power down, power down. Power down, power down. Ayun, nakakuha na ng foul. Tequila shot by Art. Sino ang pupusta? Piso-piso lang. Meron o wala? Meron. Jace, that's for you, Jace. That's it. Ball out. Good job, Paul. Good job on your defense play. Kuya Orly, sobra-sobra sa kulang. Napapasigaw.
Relax lang.
Nakabahan na ating magiging yung shots. Penalty. Yung shots again for Art. Jace, Daddy's going to shoot. Cheer for Daddy.
Ready, Chapel. 1-1.
One shot, good. Sino ulit ang pupusta? Meron ba ang wala? Sa pula, sa puti, sa dilaw, sa itim. Meron. Time is running. No foul. Sabi nila, no foul now. Uy, no foul na. Kasi penalty na din kayo. Egg lamang kayo. Third ball from Isaac. Isaac is only 15 years old pa kuya. That is 15 years old. Kaya medyo dahan ka dyan. Mga apoy mo na. Apoy mo na. May pauna naman. Pamuli. Si Papang. Paul si Papang. Sabi ni Papang, ako dito. Sagot kayo, makakapayay. Kasi, mamimiss daw ng ni Kuya Jan. Pero, hindi. Sabi ni Kuya Jan, kaya ko to. Minamali lang to. Kahit yung pa ako, masusunod ito. Tingnan natin. Sabi naman, sweet by Captain Jan Talibo. Ayaw, nandito na po. Number 3, no good. Rebound by John T. Captain. 20 seconds, 20 seconds. Go down to the ground. Concede. Captain concede. Good job, Miguel.